Hey 3D modeling fans, today we're comparing Plasticity and FreeCAD, two powerful CAD tools. We'll break down what each one offers, compare them, and help you decide which fits your needs. Let's dive in. First up, we have Plasticity. It's a paid 3D modeling software designed for artists and concept designers, costing around $149 for the indie license. It's built on the Parasolid engine. It uses NURBS for smooth, precise surfaces, perfect for hard surface modeling like game assets or product prototypes. Its Blender-inspired interface is intuitive with gizmos and shortcuts for fast, non-parametric workflows. There's no feature history, but it's great for quick, creative designs with excellent filleting and boolean tools. Next, we have FreeCAD. It's a free open-source parametric CAD tool aimed at mechanical engineering and product design. Using Open Cascade, it supports feature history, allowing easy model tweak via dimensions, and also FreeCAD handles 2D and 3D sketches, assemblies, and even BIM or FEM with Python scripting for customization. It's versatile but has a steeper learning curve and can feel less polished for artistic work. Let's compare. Plasticity shines for artists needing fast, intuitive models for visuals, like game props or product mockups. It's pricier but streamlined. FreeCAD excels for engineers requiring parametric precision, assemblies, or technical drawings, and it's free. Plasticity's interface is smoother, but FreeCAD's flexibility suits complex, functional designs. Choose Plasticity for creative speed, and FreeCAD for technical depth. That's it, guys. Check the chart below to pick your tool, and like and subscribe for more tech comparisons. See you next time.